Hi guys, and today I'm going to be attempting making slime without glue. This is a DIY, so I'm hoping this works. Because I've seen it on Instagram, YouTube, go follow me on my channels, Molly Tonks 456. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to need a little Dove shampoo. I've got a little mini bottle that my nan luckily had. I'm hoping some actually comes out. Some's coming out, guys. Oh, I think that's a good sign. Yay, some's coming out. I'm only making a tiny amount, so I'm only going to need as much as this takes. Guys, literally that's as much as came out. Oh yay! Whoa. Okay, I think we're just gonna do this. If we need to make it again, we'll also. But next step is food colouring, and I think it's in that bowl. Let me just check. Any food colouring?
No.
Nope, Nan!
Hang on.
My granddad's going to get me some food colouring. And she's forgot my spatula. Well, I just need a spoon, but you know what.
You pause.
Guys, I'm going to try 2 kinds of shampoo. I'm going to be trying that, and I'm going to be trying this L'Oreal Paris Eleville. Eleville, that's not like evil. Oh yay, my spatula! Well, my granddad. Oh wow. It's already becoming slime, guys. I swear I did not do anything. Oh my god, guys. See that? What the? Oh wait, no it's not. Okay, I'm just waiting. Oh god, guys. I'm just waiting for my granddad to try and find me some food colouring. Yeah, my nan will. Like literally, guys, look at that. Oh my god. Yeah, I think I've ruined it. I need some more. I need my Dove, come out. Come out. Please come out, Dove. Come on. Literally, guys, look, I'm trying so hard. Oh my god. I'm literally squishing the bottle. Yay, some might be coming out, hopefully. Yay! Some just came out, guys.
There we go.
Guys.
We might have a try.
Yeah, my granddad's gonna have a try, guys. Literally, guys, I've got it in my hair. What the hell? Yeah, fine. Oh, my granddad's a genius. I think that's
Let's see.
Yeah, I'm trying to mix it all so it gets together. Literally, guys, I don't know what happened. I think this is the reason that it's going to become slime. I've been talking for 5 minutes and my nan hasn't even came. Can you get Nan, please? I'm so sorry for the wait, guys. This is stupid. Is Nan coming?
Yeah. Just cleaning the corn flour off the bathroom floor.
Guys, I tried a different method. I made a YouTube video of it, but I didn't post it because it failed. And corn flour literally got everywhere. It was insane. Yeah, don't try that method. Don't try shampoo, hair conditioner, and what's it called?
Wow!
Yay! Literally, guys, it's doing whatever I say. Literally, it's not moving. Look. See? That's really. Look, guys. It's literally slime. I like the one you're holding. Nanny! Nanny! Nanny!
What?
Can I have a pickle, please?
Yes, just hang on a bit.
Wait, is that seconds or minutes? Yeah, that's minutes.
Okay, I'll show you on the seat.
What colour do you want?
Just bring the whole pot down.
To the end there. Okay.
Be careful.
I will be.
Do you need this now?
No. Nanny, say hi to the viewers. You're on camera.
Oh, crikey.
No, that wasn't a prank. It was just there. Oh, you have flavours too. No, I'm not going to try
You
that.
don't want any flowers. That's yellow.
Where's blue?
Pink.
Is there any blue?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Only a bit.
Guys, the reason I'm doing blue is because that's what I saw in the tutorial, so.
Just a bit.
I know. That should do the trick, guys. See, guys? Starting to do the trick. Okay. Well, this is, I think that's done. Now I'm going to add my pinch of salt. Because I only...
Bit more.
No, that's what I saw in the tutorial, so I'm just going to do that. And then you got to mix it, guys, and then eventually it'll come together as I get salt on my hands. Eventually it'll start forming. Yeah, I didn't see him on anymore. He might have off camera, so if he did, that's cheating. Oh my gosh, guys. Yeah, I was mixing for a long time, so. Might add a pinch more.
Oh, don't every night watching the telly and sit. Huh?
That's enough for enough. Yeah, that's probably way too much. better work. Guys. Okay, that was a fail. Clean the bowl out so I can try my next shampoo.
Come and eat this now.
Okay, but first I
Let's
gotta
turn that off.
try my next shampoo. Just
Is that going to be thrown away?
take it away.
Well, come and eat these while I'm cleaning the bowl.
Okay.
Okay.
Take it away from me. No, because you've got to do this. Because you've got to pause it. Guys, I think I just might do like end it here. Slime fail number 1.
Another failure.
Yeah.